Good evening. Today we'll be talking about different contracts that you sometimes have to sign in your life. Now, because I'm very young, I technically do not have any contracts that I have to sign, but I do know a couple of contracts that are very common and most reliable in today's society. One of those contracts is a prenup agreement. A prenup agreement is a legal document that most couples decide to sign before they get married. It's an agreement or legal document in which mentions how the assets and property will be divided if in case of a divorce ever happens, the couple decides to split, or in the event of the death with one member of the relationships dying. It can set forth what will happen to you and your spouse in the future. It can also preserve the nature of the property in the event of the marriage ending. It's good to start the conversation very early because a prenup agreement is very sensitive to some people, and there's a lot of pros and cons when it comes to a prenup agreement. It's good to listen to each other's concerns and have good communication, and it's also good to leave room for change over time. It's also good to automatically own up to what you want in the beginning, so if in case something does happen, there's no problems or no setbacks or drawbacks. One pro is that it helps protect the children in the relationship. It also helps protect business assets. One con is that it can sometimes make the relationship feel like the marriage is already ending because the trust is already broken. And there's also no foul proof. It makes the couple feel like that the marriage is already destined to fail. It's good. A prenup agreement is good for 10 years, with most common being no spousal support unless married for at least 10 years. It's always good to start a prenup agreement very early and have the conversation start very early and have good communication because it is a very sensitive topic that not everybody agrees with, and it sometimes does break the trust within the relationship. So it's good to start early, get everything situated and everything together so there's no drawbacks or setbacks in the end. Thank you.